Welcome back! Thanks for joining me for today's video. This video will be about what we recommend you eat on your trip to Poland. Most of those dishes you can get in all parts of Poland, so wherever you plan on going, you're just going to need to pick the right restaurant and try it. Those of you who are here for the first time, my name is Marta from Cooking the World. We produce one video a week, so if you like what you've seen this far, I would appreciate if you click the subscribe button down below and the notification bell for more content about traditional food. Let's move to Polish dishes. Polish cuisine is rich in meat and winter vegetables. We eat a lot of potatoes, dumplings and grains. The preparation of most of the dishes is very time consuming, but on the other hand, they taste like heaven. We will start with krokietki. Krokietki are pan-breaded pancakes filled either with meat and vegetables or sauerkraut and mushrooms. They are served warm with clear beetroot soup on the side. The filling is very juicy and they are very crispy from outside. The next dish that is worth trying is pierogi ruskie. Pierogi ruskie are dumplings full with potato, quark and onions. Usually, they serve with chopped fried onions on the top and sour cream on the side. You can also find pierogi filled with meat and vegetables, sauerkraut and mushrooms, as well as berries. My favorite one are the first mentioned. Not even the meat can beat the excellent potato quark filling. Gołąbki, which you translate to pigeons, are made from boiled cabbage leaves wrapped around a filling of minced pork or beef, chopped onions and rice. Usually, they are served with tomato sauce on the side. Poles also have Christmas version of gołąbki that is made from mushrooms and cooked rice, which is my favorite. Important soup to mention is żurek. The soup is made from sourdough, smoked bacon, boiled sausage, egg and potatoes. Żurek is traditionally eaten for Easter, but it's also popular in other times of the year. The soup is thick and has a sour taste. I love it! Another traditional dish that has to be mentioned is Beados. Beados is a cabbage stew made from sauerkraut, cabbage and different kinds of meats. At my home, it was usually served with bacon and fried sausage. Richer versions contain beef and pork cubes, as well as mushrooms. Breaded pancakes with sour cream are very popular in Poland. I am aware of the fact that this is the national dish of Belarus and that they are very well known in East and Middle Europe, but I think that the way they served in Poland is very particular. In Poland, potato pancakes are half centimeter thin and the potatoes are very finely grated, what gives them the fantastic texture. They are crispy from outside and soft from inside. Usually they serve with sour cream on the side or beef stew. Cutlet de volaille is fried chicken filled with butter or cheese, coated with flour, eggs and breadcrumbs. The dish, despite French name, has been developed in Russia and came to Poland after Second World War. Just look how this cheese melts! On the side you can see traditional Polish cucumber salad mizeria. Mizeria is made from sliced or grated cucumbers, sour cream, spiced with salt, pepper, dill, vinegar and sugar. The mixture is very refreshing and usually served with breaded pork tenderloin and potatoes. Rosso is rich liquid made of water in which bones, meat and vegetables has been simmered. The broth is served as a starter on every Sunday in Silesian families, followed by filled rolled beef served with potato dumplings. The rolls are filled with pickled cucumber, mustard and smoked bacon cubes. My grandmother secured the rolled meat with a strand, so we had to be careful not to eat it. The list of traditional Polish dishes is long, therefore I couldn't include all of them in this video. I think that all the dishes mentioned are a great start for you to discover Polish cuisine. If you are looking for traditional Polish recipes, please check the description box below. I have included some links for you. I wish you a great trip to Poland and I hope you enjoy Polish food.